Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting. This morning, they brought a BMW to the workshop on a crane. It's the one you see here. And the customer is a little angry because he bought this car only 3 months ago. He brought it to the workshop and came with the previous owner so that we could take a look at the car, and if we gave him the approval, he would buy it. Well, we checked the car, the engine, etc., and it worked perfectly. We told him yes, it was a good purchase and the car was not very expensive, but what was the problem? Well, this morning he went to start the engine, I tell you, after 3 months, and until now, it was working perfectly. And now the engine has started to vibrate. It has been difficult to start it, and then the engine was very bad. And then, he did not want to risk continuing driving. And he stopped the engine? He called a tow truck and they brought it to the workshop on the tow truck, and he told us that when we checked it, maybe we missed something. Or maybe it had some hidden defect. Well, it didn't have any hidden defect. Look what the problem was and why the engine vibrated so much. The problem is that an injector failed, but look what the cause is. I'm telling you that it's not a hidden defect. As soon as you look at the carpet on the hood, you can see the problem. Do you see it? You can see where the problem comes from. And of course, this is caused by a rodent. A rat has been chewing there, just as it has chewed the carpet. You see that he has also bitten the injector wiring. And then, that is why this injector failed, and not because the engine had some hidden defect. I always tell you, be careful where you park the car, because this is where the injector wiring has been. In other cars, they bite the fuel return hoses and start to lose fuel there, and in other cases, by biting. The cables can cause short circuits in cars. Be careful with these things. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.